Watch your mouth. Watch your mouth.
Gate link to gates 1 through 29. Doors are now closing.
No, okay, you're guy. I want you.
Can you sit up?
I cannot. I cannot.
Just pull him back.
He's
Pull him back. Pull him back.
On April 1st, 2025, officers at Orlando International Airport responded to a disturbance call involving an intoxicated passenger who was subsequently charged with 2 counts under Florida law.
It's very dumb.
I'm the only one to hear you.
Hey, how's it going? Hey, sir. Have a seat. Have a seat. What's going on today?
I'm going on to my flight towards it. This is my
181, I'm 97. Okay, you got an ID?
Yes.
Tango 224. Tango 224. 93556.
I'm about to board my flight.
Okay, where you trying to fly to?
Dallas.
Dallas?
Dallas.
You live in New York, you're going to Dallas.
I live in New York. I flight in Orlando.
Okay, so you came down here for vacation, but you're going to Dallas.
It was in the same day.
Okay, what's going on today?
I
Drank too much?
Yes.
Okay.
Excuse me, man. Hey, how you doing?
Sorry.
Is that yours? You're good. I just need one of these real quick. Thank you so much.
Sure.
Excuse me, sir.
I have the restaurant.
Jump in the chair. Come on, sir. Get in the chair.
Can I walk?
No, you can't.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
got reported
So
you
it's already-
stumbling on
yeah,
over.
you fell.
We don't
You had
want
it
that to happen, yeah.
Yeah, we're not gonna hold that back. Just wallet.
Here's your wallet, sir.
Do me a favor, just keep your hands and arms in there. All right? It's gonna be a fast and fun ride. Wave to all your adoring fans. Hey, hands down, please. Not that way. Don't touch. Do not touch.
Yeah,
Weirdo.
do not touch.
No, you don't touch people.
Shit. I have to make a flight.
They're not going to allow you on it.
I'll rebook a flight.
Please stand clear of doors.
Have a seat.
The doors are now closing. Please stand clear of doors and hold on to handrails. The
I
doors
said
are
I'm
now
done. I just want.
Please stand clear of
Name is,
doors and hold
Ian
on to
Howell.
handrails.
Okay, Ian, we gotta be realistic.
Stop.
You're not getting on any flight right now. You're too drunk, right? So we gotta come up with plan B. Are you from Orlando?
No, I have no residence over here.
Okay.
I gotta fly.
Where did you come from? Is this a connecting flight?
No, it's a connecting flight, and I gotta fly.
And you got what?
When the gateway stops,
I want
please exit and follow the signs to baggage claim
officer.
Resort and other ground transportation options are located on level.
No, we're not going to be with you. You're either going to sit in the chair out here and be quiet, or you're going to be
The doors are now
kicked out of the airport.
We'll go to jail. That's an option.
Stay seated. Stay seated.
Please watch
See
your
how you're
step.
struggling to even stand?
Turn your feet around.
Oh, I didn't turn, boss.
Turn your feet around. Pick up your feet. Be an adult. Put them on the little foot bar.
On the footbar?
Yeah. Stop being a child.
Yeah.
Watch your mouth. Watch your mouth.
Gate link to gates 1 through 29. Doors are now closing.
Literally, like, nothing.
Put your hands behind your back.
Wait.
Yeah, whenever you're ready.
All right, one more on the arm. We got the legs.
Yes.
That is bad.
Yeah, this is bad.
Hey man, walk.
Sir, stop resisting. Continue walking. Get your feet underneath you. Get your feet underneath you. Put him in the car. Walk through. Walk through, walk all the way through. Yeah. Yeah, we're here. Get him out of here.
Hey, stand. Stand up.
Here's my. No, dude, wait. For a second.
Put him there.
I'll fucking do that shit.
You got gloves on
All
you?
that.
Yeah.
Stop moving. Yeah,
Stop
stop
moving.
moving.
Stop moving.
Sir, stop resisting. Stop moving around. Stay right there. All right? Stay right there. Do not move. Do not move. Got gloves on. Pull up his pants. Stand up, sir. Stand up on your own two legs. Stand up on your own two legs and we can pull
Stand up.
I don't care about anything like that. Sir, you look at me right now. No, I will not. Sir. No, I'm sorry, sir.
Bro, what are you doing?
What I'm saying. No,
Get in the car.
What are you doing?
No.
Okay.
I have my social security number and my. I'm sorry, like I'll fucking destroy you.
That's him? That is 100% him.
Go down.
Relax your legs.
That
Okay, bud. Ian.
No.
Is he bucking on you?
Yeah.
All right. No problem.
Yeah, it's a problem.
No problem.
I'm sorry.
All right, stay there. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move your legs. Stop moving your legs. Figure four, please.
No, I'm going to.
Figure four. No. Figure four. Figure four. Okay. Hold on. No, not with your legs.
It's okay.
Relax. See how the leg is much stronger than the. Fold that into your knee. There you go. Stop resisting.
Ian.
Stop resisting here. I can feel you pulling up against us. Yeah. Thank you very much. Come back here. Okay. Come up. What? Easy. Come up on his legs. Come up off his legs. Come up off his legs. He's good. Work this way.
Daddy. Hey guys.
He's hobbled. Sit sideways. We don't want you going into positional asphyxiation. Okay? All right, stay right there. All right, we're going to have you stand up. Okay?
Hey,
We're going to have you stand up. Okay. Come here.
Oh, like I'm pulling your.
All the way up. There you go.
We're It's
Go back.
it's more of
Let go.
no.
Okay.
I'm gonna give her one. There's something there left out there.
Let go of my leg. Let go of my leg. You're going to get hit.
Yeah, you're gonna get hit. Yeah, punch you in the face.
Hold back over there.
Keep over there.
You're an awful cop. It's right.
He's in.
Come on. Sit up, bud.
On Ian.
Sit up.
I'm on Ian.
So fuck you. I want any other guy.
Sit up, man.
No, okay. You're guy. I want you.
Can you sit up?
Really?
Ian, you're quite
Yes.
Units, both
I'm sorry,
going
really?
to Riverside 1
This
are
guy
currently
said he was
operational.
gonna hit me.
What guy? No one hit me.
Units, both 8 links that
Yeah,
are
you
going to
get it?
Riverside 1 are currently operational. So come clear.
There's a bag out there. Where's
Slide him sideways.
Sorry.
Slide. How?
Just slide him in. Slide him in nice and gentle. Right? Now that he's on his side, put him on his side. Put him on his side and shows you how face down. There we go.
Hold on.
There we go, Ian. Good job, Ian. Doing good, bud.
Get your feet in.
Okay. Yeah, no, not today.
Get your
Okay.
feet in.
Okay.
No, I want my.
Get your feet in. You're gonna get sprayed.
Close
your door. Close that door.
Close the door. Okay. Okay.
Get your feet in.
Okay.
Sorry, brother.
Oh.
I can't. No, sorry, brother. I can't. I cannot, no matter what.
Here you go.
I cannot.
No,
I cannot.
Just pull him back.
He's.
Pull him back. Pull him back.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. Florida Statute Section 856.011 requires intoxication, combined with either a public disturbance or the endangerment of another person in a public place. The subject satisfied both elements by his own admission, and through a disturbance call that predated officer contact. Florida Statute Section 843.0 prohibits resisting, obstructing, or opposing a law enforcement officer in the lawful execution of duties. Physical violence is not required. The subject refused to walk when directed, refused to enter the transport vehicle, and stated on camera, "I cannot no matter what," eliminating any defense of inadvertent noncompliance. The Figure 4 leg restraint applied during the arrest is evaluated under Graham v. Connor, decided by the United States Supreme Court in 1989. That case established that the reasonableness of force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not with the benefit of hindsight. The court identified 3 factors: the severity of the crime at issue, whether the suspect posed an immediate threat to officer or public safety, and whether the suspect was actively resisting. All 3 are weighed under the totality of circumstances. The underlying offense was a misdemeanor, a low-severity indicator. By the time restraint was applied, however, the subject had sustained active physical resistance and issued a direct verbal threat to officers. Factors 2 and 3 were both elevated, and the escalation to a control technique was legally supported under the Graham standard. The Figure 4 is a Florida Criminal Justice Standards and Training, commission-approved technique that uses mechanical leverage rather than pain compliance. Following the restraint, officers placed the subject in the lateral recovery position, directly addressing positional asphyxia, a documented in-custody death risk. Lateral placement satisfies the constitutional duty of care. The subject was charged with both offenses. Court disposition was not available at the time of this analysis. The officers receive a grade of B+. Force was graduated and proportionate at every stage. The wheelchair strategy effectively de-escalated the initial contact, and post-restraint lateral positioning reflects direct application of safety training. 2 deductions. 1 officer directed the subject to stop being a child, unprofessional, and tactically counterproductive. And a second described the transport as, "It is going to be effing awesome," inappropriate in any professional law enforcement context. The subject receives a grade of D. The first charge was established by his own admission before a second question was asked. The second charge was the result of deliberate, sustained physical noncompliance. His on-camera verbal threat elevated the force justification at the precise moment restraint was applied, undermining any challenge to the arrest. The absence of a physical attack on officers is the only mitigating factor. 3 takeaways from this encounter. First, on-camera admissions are evidence they satisfy statutory elements without further investigation and are immediately available to prosecutors. Second, passive physical resistance is a chargeable first-degree misdemeanor under Florida Statute Section 843.02, regardless of whether any violence occurs. Third, post-restraint lateral positioning is a constitutional obligation, not a courtesy. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out Audit the Court for more police interaction and courtroom content.